Good evening. Today we are going to talk about climate change. My group is composed by Sorliñán, Nini Turizo, Jaider Ariza, and my person, María Jose Martínez. Definition and etymology of climate change. Climate change is a phenomenon that occurs when change in Earth climate system result in mild weather patterns that last for a few decades. The first time the word climate change has been used was during June of 1988 by the NASA scientific Eric Konagi on an airport. He wrote, and the term was later spread out by the media. Brief history of concepts. Temperature is a magnitude that fixed to his or cloud measure ball by a thermometer. Satellite is used many times to Earth. To us is transmitted to add electronic device choose of our television. Already the definition of the word satellite covers several fields, both the area of astronomy and technology.
Different perspectives of this issue in the history of the world. Climatic change has been globally viewed as a latent menace to our future by the majority of countries around the world. But not all countries share this same view of the danger the climatic change represents. Some countries, such as China, don't view climatic change as a danger to humanity, and consequently, they don't put a regulation on the amount of contamination they produce, making China one of the most polluted countries of the world, and the country with the biggest carbon footprint of all. On contrast, countries like Finland, Spain, and Sweden have taken their task to reduce their carbon footprint seriously, making each one of them one of the less polluted countries of the world. Discovery and development in the scientific community. The scientific community has been at the front, searching for possible solutions to climatic change, and although there's no complete solution to the problem, they have made huge progress towards the solution to climatic change, with creations such as electric cars, renewable energy source, and solar energy, the creation of a battery that eats plastic, and many other inventions that have helped to reduce the impact of the climatic change on our planet.
To stop this trend, there are many possible ways to help reduce the impact of climatic change, but one of the most effective and easier ways we can reduce the effect of the climate change is by reducing our intake of meat. According to some studies, about 13% of the CO2 emissions of our planet are caused by the carnage industry, and just by reducing our meat intake, we can greatly reduce the amount of CO2 to our atmosphere. Another way we can make our effort is by using biofuels that don't impact our atmosphere.
Conclusion. Climate change is a concerning problem that involves all of us, and we need to make our effort to reduce our carbon footprint on the planet so we can secure our future, and is by no means a false threat, like some politicians when asked to think we have an obligation to reduce the effects of climate change so our future generation can have a